Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down a little bit to find the display. Now let's scroll down to find the screen timeout. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest one, so the 10 minutes is available here. All we have to do in order to set the timeout is to tap on the option we would like to use. So I'll pick 5 minutes. As you can see, it is marked, and after getting back to the previous page you can see that it is notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.